understand how it feel. To
I would
sit down
achieve.
and ramp with people not even have never ever hurt an ear on the head.
I
Where?
would that.
That's Cassandra and her husband. But you want me to get a picture? I know me can't get the picture. You never know me still a dig.
I'll see about she a class me. Can class me?
No
Can
believe what
me?
Kerry,
Hold on now, go
Sunshine,
down.
no
Me do
believe what
group.
Kerry said. Kerry a wicked. You hear me I
Me
tell
no
you?
do group. Me
Kerry
no
a
do group.
wicked.
So no
Don't
can't
believe
class
what
me
Kerry
because I
said.
want to take on a cost and cost about money problem for ya. Which money problem? Ever here we are war for the money over here, so everybody get them fairly money, everybody see the people them pandi. That's why they never want me to post no they never want me to post no picture when the people them receive them things so they get to know.
Yeah,
Cause them
man.
say them nah do it. And me make sure
So Sunshine, you know hear Dan over there on the live I said today say, oh, you know hear money now share right, huh? I wanna hide them things there. One of the moderator them, oh, we not live bad over there and I hide it because she
yes,
think everybody and her is the same.
Dan is not everybody the same like you.
Yeah.
Me no gamble, me love. My husband is type of work my
I
husband
want
do.
to ask Dan which money now share right because
That
everybody
one
will
no.
collect. First of all, Sunshine don't collect money, and the person
Thank
that
you.
will collect money is no thief.
Thank you.
Every donor will send
You
them
know?
money from give the people them. Everybody receive the money.
But guess
Every
what, no,
last
Dolly?
person.
Them think them can't bring me down. Them can't bring me down. Cause me
Nose
rooted and
row and
grounded
nose
on this.
umbrella.
Remember, me I go
Watch
mute and come
Piggy,
back.
watch this Piggy.
Auntie, say me I try to do the right thing, but me have to stroll them some because what them do is unacceptable.
Yeah, and guess what, Dolly?
Me
Dolly,
no
if
want
you
you
do
to
the
vex with
baby,
me. Me no want you to
no
vex
man, do
with
your
me and
thing,
tell me
man.
to leave it.
You
Me
can't
not
tell me
leave
to do.
nothing.
You can't, cause Dolly, look here now. Everybody know when people have people picture. How would them have it for down at Jamaica? Cause we are Jamaica, we don't know that.
And you talk to her too nice Sunshine because here what
And
we
that
all
me
should
I
have gone
said too.
today. That's why
Yeah.
me did have to come up here, boy. You can't stand me, girl. You can't
But
stand me because me a bust your belly.
cheese, you have
Yeah.
to understand, say, auntie is not like that, you know.
Yeah, but them did that do the most. Them never die. I don't do it alive. Them do it pan Dali. Live them do it pan.
Oh.
Boy, you in a nice talking with this long time pressy recipe, Sha.
And them must say, lie, me no, you all know Sunshine to be a liar, that, and out
Sunshine
of
don't
all
make them
lies
bully
them
you
in the
here.
world,
They
out of
can't
Don't
bully
make
all
them
me, man.
bully you because
lies in
Dan
the
over there
world,
talk about you
why
take
should I
things
tell
out
like
of
on our daughter
proportion.
like
What you
that?
mean by that?
Because you know what she want me to do? She want me to just take it light. After them
Yeah.
can't pick me and me pick the picture. Remember here, come here, look into this now. If you alright, remember that class every baby, you know. They no baby picture in the group. They have a picture with me in the group, right? They don't have nobody else picture in the group. And then go for a picture with me and my baby. So what them up to? And the girl come tell me the truth. And them
And
a
then
say lie
end
me
up
a
saying
truth.
enough is said no.
I mean, if it's not, man, the girl from out of them group come to me and tell me, say, me not make trade trouble because she not no papers. And she run off on her visa. But them a come tell me, say,
fearful. Wanna do
in a position and a fast
fearful. Stop
and I
please.
beg me to plead to Shay for.
So who did a beg for and a plea for the baby in the group chat?
Nobody. Right?
So no
And
here.
they have a WhatsApp. Yeah, all right, the girl tell me, say, what them I gonna do? And the
Say,
next
see that man there,
hey,
wait the sunshine, 1 minute, good night. You see that man there, stand upside of that girl, let me and the man there jolly fucking on.
Last girl talk out of your hole. Hey, that's how I post picture.
Oh God, I see what's up, man.
Post picture. Me love post
Let me see
picture.
that frightening you for.
Somebody will have to see somebody. Me don't talk to you.
I'm frightened
Link up the
now.
man and tell the man what go on just like girl. Kind of know.
I want me to I know
Blood clot Cassandra. We tired of you. Go and jump through.
Man, no,
The boy
Miss
are too long
Piggy.
to not know this.
So this a Cassandra husband.
Yeah, girl. 1994. And what per years woman married you now? And who says she at 34? You're mad.
And at 20,
man.
Oh, who?
Batiman!
The man about man.
But son, but wait now. Cassandra, you're supposed to can't bring down me because you bring down people in the group.
Don't
So,
hit her reach him.
and I know if you bring down you and your husband.
That's why
bring
she
down
have-
everybody in the group, sir. Bring down mama. But your man look like him nyam pussy. Ha.
No man, him look like him yamba.
Guys, where the man get this?
Nyam
She's,
pussy.
and that's why she never wants to send the picture.
She never that she not run a joke cause me get it, me a post it. Me just get she.
But
Yeah,
that's why she never wants to send the picture in her first
me
place.
get her picture with her